Homeowners in Hauppauge, New York, know that keeping a home comfortable year-round isn't always easy. With chilly winters, humid summers, and unpredictable coastal weather, maintaining the right indoor temperature can take a toll on both your comfort and your energy bills. That's why more and more Hauppauge residents are choosing to upgrade to modern, energy-efficient windows, a home improvement that combines beauty, performance, and long-term savings. Modern window technology has come a long way, offering advanced materials and design features that help reduce energy use while enhancing your home's look and feel. Here's why energy-efficient windows are becoming a top priority for homeowners across Hauppauge. Lower energy bills all year long. One of the biggest reasons Hauppauge homeowners are upgrading their windows is to reduce heating and cooling costs. Traditional single-pane or poorly sealed windows often allow drafts and air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a steady indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows are built with insulated frames and multi-pane glass, featuring low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat. In winter, they help keep warm air inside. In summer, they block heat from entering, ensuring your home stays comfortable without overusing energy. By minimizing temperature fluctuations, homeowners can expect noticeable savings on monthly utility bills. Over time, these savings help offset the cost of installation, making energy-efficient windows a smart long-term investment. Improved home comfort and consistent temperatures. Have you ever noticed one room in your home feeling colder or hotter than others? That uneven comfort often comes from poorly insulated or aging windows. Modern, energy-efficient designs eliminate drafts and condensation, keeping every room consistently comfortable. In Hauppauge's climate, where summers can be humid and winters can get brisk, this makes a huge difference. Energy-efficient windows maintain a stable indoor environment by preventing both heat loss and heat gain. This not only improves comfort but also helps regulate indoor humidity levels, an important factor in preventing mold and mildew. The result? A home that feels cozy in the winter, cool in the summer, and balanced year-round. Enhanced durability and low maintenance. Older windows often require constant upkeep, painting, scraping, sealing, or replacing parts. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed to withstand the coastal humidity and temperature shifts typical of Hauppauge. Many models feature durable vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. These materials are also low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning rather than regular repairs or repainting. When properly installed by professionals, these windows can last for decades, providing reliable performance with minimal effort on your part. Better noise reduction and indoor air quality. Living near busy roads or active neighborhoods can make peace and quiet hard to come by. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills, which not only block temperature changes but also reduce noise pollution. This makes your home quieter and more relaxing, perfect for families, remote workers, or anyone who values tranquility. Additionally, tightly sealed energy-efficient windows help keep dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants from entering your home, improving air quality and making it easier to breathe, especially for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows isn't just an energy-saving measure, it's a style upgrade too. New energy-efficient windows come in a range of designs, finishes, and colors that complement any home, whether you have a classic Long Island colonial or a modern build. They enhance curb appeal, giving your home a fresh, updated appearance that can increase resale value. Homebuyers in Hauppauge are increasingly drawn to energy-efficient features, seeing them as a sign of a well-maintained and future-ready property. Professional installation for maximum performance. Even the best windows won't perform properly if they're not installed correctly. Professional window installation ensures a perfect fit, airtight sealing, and optimal insulation, all of which are essential for energy efficiency and long-term durability. Local Hauppauge installers understand the region's specific climate challenges and use the right techniques to ensure your new windows deliver maximum comfort and savings. Final thoughts for Hauppauge homeowners. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make. You'll enjoy lower utility bills, better comfort, less maintenance, and a quieter, more beautiful home, all while helping the environment. Whether you're replacing aging windows or remodeling your home, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment that pays off every day. With professional installation and the right design, your Hauppauge home will stay comfortable, efficient, and stylish, no matter what the Long Island weather brings.